Hello, today we will see features of 3D modeling. 3D modeling services are widely used in various spheres of people's activities: industry, medicine, construction, and information technology. 3D images printed on special printer are becoming effective tool to promote product and services in market. So these are some of the features used in 3D modeling, that are extrusion, revolution, hole, cut, sweep, pattern, fillet, chamfer, shell and helix. Here we will see some figure of that. Extrusion is nothing but the providing the uniform thickness to the 2D model. In fillet, we can see that for any rectangle or square at corner, we can provide the radius, that is called as the fillet. In sweep, here we can provide some thickness to the 2D model, and with the help of that we can make the spring-like structure. Next is the geometric modeling. The geometric modeling is the representation of physical object on computers, allowing both interactive and automatic analysis of design and expression of design in the form of suitable for manufacturing. The role of geometric modeling in CAD system is that the CAD is the user-friendly. First, it is user interface, then the geometric modeling or 3D model technique is used to make the 3D model. After that, the mathematical representation, that is the database, is done, and the final product or final entity is displayed on computer. Then the drawing is also generated and analysis is done for manufacturing. In next, there are mainly three types of geometric modeling. First is wireframe modeling, surface modeling and solid modeling. Again, wireframe modeling is divided into three parts, that is 2D modeling, 2.5D and 3D. 2D modeling stands for two-dimensional view and is useful for flat object. 2.5D gives view beyond 2D view and permit viewing of object that has no sidewall detail. It provides extruded depth to 3D model without any detailing on its depth. 3D. The 3D dimension representation allows complete 3-dimensional view of model with highly complex geometry. In this case, in 3D model, we can view all the direction and the model is very clear. Thank you.